Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here it is, the big reveal, my hair color, and this is the end result with this brand, L'Oreal Excellence Creme in AA01 called Ultra Light Ash Blonde. So it did lighten my hair a little bit, but it still has some red color in it, from my natural hair color, and it looks not bad. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I was hoping it would be a lot lighter, more of this color, but that's just totally wishful thinking. And this is basically the end result, and I'm really impressed. And when I showed it to my husband, he was impressed also and likes it very much. And he said it looks better than having darker roots and then having lighter hair on the end. And I flat ironed it. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. And that's my big reveal. Coloring my hair at home. I hope you truly enjoyed this. And I think I'm going to go ahead and film another video on one of the products that I got at the Sephora sale. Take care. Bye.